Hey guys, Devamitra one more time. A very warm welcome and a very good afternoon to all of you. Hope you guys are doing well, right? So, guys, in my previous sessions, I have talked about so many things. I have provided you the knowledge about your career, about your life, and in my career journey stories, there are so many candidates to whom I have talked about their career journey history. And right now, these candidates are very successful candidates and working in another MNCs also. So right now, if you wanted to be a successful person, you can communicate with me. Okay, so right now I'm going to talk about what is called full stack developers versus the front end developers and the back end developers. What are the difference between all of them? So the first thing is the role of a web developer is one of them almost always makes it to the list of high paying IT jobs. And why not? In today's digital world, web developers are indispensable. Whether it's a stunning website, a high performing e-commerce site, and any other web based application, is the handwork of the web developer. So if you are aspiring to wear the hat of a web developer, you would be thrilled to know that full stack developer skills are in high demand. So but do you know how full stack and versus front end and back end web development stack up against each other? Okay, if you don't know, I'm going to discuss about it. In other words, what makes the job roles different? Well, break it down for you. So let's get started, guys. The first thing is, what is web development? Web development is the process of creating website of the internet. Web development refers to the non-design aspects of a website, such as creating features of functionality using programming, markup, and scripted languages. Developments concentrate on the technical aspects of website development, such as architecture, programming, and application integration and graphics. So what are the role of a full stack development developer? Okay, right now I'm going to talk about the first one is I'm going to talk about what is the front end development, the aspect of web development that codes and produces front end elements of our websites or features that are immediately observable and accessible by the end user client is known as front end development. Essentially, a front end developer is in charge of everything you see, be it styling, graphics, okay, text alignment, navigation, colors, and so on, and attempts to improve the user's experience to make it seamless as possible. They also contribute to the overall design and aesthetic along with debugging. The major goals of front-end development are responsive and performance. If what see in an application in the front end, that what do you think that makes it happen? Okay, so who is front-end developer? Front-end web developers take care of a website style and user interface. As you would probably know, HTML is the structural skeleton of a web page. You can think of cascading style sheets as the physics of the body of the skeleton. CSS enables front-end web developers to modify the shape of the physics, which is in terms of websites. Okay, it's like to predefining certain skills sections to make the website display a specific style. For instance, if the website is a human body, using CSS you can alter the build of muscles and change the way of specific muscles look. Now that with regards to websites, you can use CSS to adjust specific sections of the site to define the look and style it displays. Front end web developers integrate this style and look into a CSS file and include it on top of the HTML file. Whenever they need to particular style, they refer to the CSS file that contains the predefined styles. So what are the front-end developer skills? Okay, a front-end developer skills involve solid knowledge of scripting language such as HTML, JavaScript, and CSS3. If you wish to become front-end website developer, you need to master these three languages. However, by far the most critical front-end developer skills is proficiency in JavaScript. The versatile JavaScript, which works side by side with both CSS and HTML, featured in various applications, including the date and time and add to favorites button. Okay, so what are the salary of a front-end developers? An average front-end developer salary in India is starting salary is 7 to 8 lakhs, okay, per annum. So what is back-end development? Web development that occurs at the back end is programs in locally termed back-end development. Back-end development covers server side web application logic and integration and activities like writing APIs, creating libraries, and working with system components as opposed to front-end development, which focuses on customer-facing services and programs. Back-end developers create code that allows database and application to communicate with one another. Back-end developers are in charge of back-end of website, which include servers, database, and apps. They are in control of what you don't see. Surely you clearly understand what front end and back end of the application means. So right now I'm going to talk about what is the skill set you need to be a backend developer. The programming languages the backend developer typically need to know include PHP, Ruby, Python, and .NET to build applications. Plus, they should have good command over database technologies like Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server, and MySQL. So, since the developer community widely embraces PHP, let's take that as an example. A scripting language, PHP, work together with structured query language or SQL, which is the database from where PHP's information out to enter it into an HTML file for display. You can find examples for this process everywhere. Okay, so what is the salary packages of a backend developer? Wondering what is the salary package of a back-end web developer compared to front-end developers that generally get the higher annual salary? Okay, so front-end and back-end development, whatever I have talked about, right now I'm going to talk about what is called full-stack development. Full-stack developers, who is full stack developer? A full stack developer can be explained as the jack of all trades. They are skilled in both front-end and back-end languages and can work with multiple frameworks. So which are the full stack developer skills? Full stack developer skills and expertise are relevant in all layers of the web development process, starting from the planning stage of projects to managing database, building user interfaces to data structuring, and solving mission critical needs. Therefore, full stack developers must understand all levels of the website and how the web works. So what are the salary of a full stack developer? Given this versatility and the broad knowledge spectrum, full stack web developers are sought after professionals. The annual paycheck of an average of full stack developers can fall within the range of 8 to 10 lakhs. Okay, it can be high, more than 15 to 20 lakhs depending on the skill set and the experience. So these are the things, guys. If you wanted to learn about technology, if you wanted to start your career in PCS Global, if you're looking for some organization who can help you to grow, we are here to help you. We're a software development company. We are a talent management company as well as. So if you wanted to see yourself as a smart professional person, you can communicate with us. In PCS Global, we are providing the training in Java full stack development. We are providing the training in Java DevOps, Salesforce. Salesforce is a very market booming technology right now. So in these days, if you wanted to learn Salesforce, you need to understand what are the things, non-technical things in Salesforce. Okay, so if you wanted to start your career in Salesforce, you don't need to know coding properly. So what are the things you need to know to be a Salesforce professional? You can communicate with us and we will provide you the knowledge. Our internship programs are going on, our online classes are going on, our Monstack technology is also one of the market booming technology right now. So if you wanted to join Monstack development classes, we are providing the classes. Our live sessions are going on in YouTube channel. So go through all those videos, take the proper knowledge, be a part of a professional life, professional IT industry. And if you think that I am the candidate who don't have to do anything and I can do anything in my life, no, it's not like that. If you have that skill set, if you think that I'm not able to, I'm unable to grab that all those things, you can evaluate yourself by getting the attending the internship programs, whatever we are providing, the free internship or paid internship programs. From that internship program you can get the knowledge that whatever are you a candidate who can work with technology. So these are the things PCS Global is providing. Kindly communicate with us, and whatever wanted to know, we are here to help you, always here to help you. So kindly communicate, call us, get the proper knowledge, attend our webinar sessions, our master classes are also going on, so you can get the proper knowledge about all those things. And kindly communicate with our HR persons, being the brand ambassador of Penetration Computer Solutions. I would like to suggest you, don't waste time, and be a proper professional person. Make yourself happy, make others happy, and stay safe, stay healthy, and have a very good day. So this is for now, guys. Bye for now.